Are you looking for the best laptops? In this video we will look at some of the best laptops the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro. The latest MacBook Pro is the most powerful laptop Apple has ever made, and it's best you can buy if price isn't an issue. While you may prefer Windows 10 or 11 to macOS, there's no denying the incredible performance offered by the M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. Both are available on 14 inches and 16 inches sizes, with superb power efficiency resulting in incredible battery life. Apple's stunning displays are here in all their glory. While you also get a great 1080p webcam for video calls, you can use your iPhone's camera for this if you'd prefer, though. It's great to see HDMI and SD card reader, but Apple still hasn't included a USB-A port, so you may need an adapter or hub. There's also the unattractive notch, which still can't be used for Face ID, and no touchscreen, not to mention those high price tags. The 2023 MacBook Pro is a superb device that will serve you well for many years to come, but you don't necessarily need to spend this much on a laptop. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360. You might have heard a lot about Samsung's Galaxy Book Ultra, but the more affordable Convertible Pro model is a better option for most people. It's the finest convertible laptop you can buy right now, with that 360 degrees not compromising design, durability, or ports. But the 120Hz OLED touchscreen is a real highlight here, especially when combined with solid all-round performance and stylus input via the included S Pen. You even get quad speakers and a full HD webcam, although it's not all good news. The typing experience isn't the most convincing, while battery life falls just short of a full working day for most people. With a still high price tag and no discrete GPU, your main decision here is whether it's worth spending the money for a laptop that's very good, but by no means perfect. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Book Ultra. The Galaxy Book 3 Ultra is Samsung's most powerful laptop to date, and its first foray into the world of content creation. Despite some key shortcomings, it's undoubtedly been a success. Performance is the highlight, with Intel's 13th Gen CPUs, NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs, and at least 16 GB of RAM proving to be a potent combination. But unlike many laptops, the Galaxy Book Ultra delivers both top-tier performance and excellent battery life. With a superb 16 inches, 120Hz OLED display, full HD webcam and premium build, there's a lot to like here. The keyboard and speakers aren't great, but the high price tag is the main reason to look elsewhere. Unless you're set on high-end content creation, in which case you'll struggle to find a better option. Number 4. Dell XPS 15 Lite. The Dell XPS 15 remains one of the best-looking business laptops on the market, thanks to its aluminum and carbon fiber finish. It excels in many other areas, too. Its Core i7-11800H processor is very fast, while the laptop also boasts plenty of storage and a great keyboard. A 15 inches display is vibrant and a joy to use, especially when combined with excellent speakers. It's also got the battery power to handle a day of work in most scenarios. XPS machines are never cheap, though, and the 9510 is not perfect. You'll want to look elsewhere if color accuracy is a top priority, and you'll be able to find better battery life and a broader selection of ports elsewhere. Number 5. LG Gram 16. The Gram 16 being so low on this list reflects the strength of laptops in 2022, but also that it's not quite as impressive as it once was. It uses 12th Gen Intel CPUs, but not from the most powerful H series and still with an integrated GPU. Many premium laptops are shifting to a high refresh rate display, but the Gram 16 is still stuck at 60 Hz. At this price, it's harder to accept these compromises. But would still recommend considering it due to the way it excels in other areas. The Gram 16 is still incredibly thin and light, while a matte coating on the screen contributes to an excellent viewing experience. Battery life is among the best you'll find in any laptop, and it's impressively durable for a device that's so portable. Number 6. Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. Several years of minimal updates mean the Surface Laptop 5 isn't a very exciting device. In 2022, its dated design can't match the competition, and Microsoft has only added new processors this time around. However, there are still plenty of reasons to consider it. Performance has had a useful boost and offers plenty for everyday tasks, while the touchscreen display, you can choose between 13.5 inches and 15 inches, remains one of the best, even without old. The keyboard is perhaps the only exceptional thing about this laptop, but it gets the fundamentals right. You'll have to deal with thick bezels and no AMD option anymore though, and it doesn't come cheap.